Welcome back to my channel Passion to Purpose with Sudeshna. So in today's episode, I'm going to discuss with you about visualization. Have you ever faced a situation where you feel that this I have seen somewhere else or this I have already experienced sometimes back, and you feel that this is not a first time event in your life, this is already you have experienced. So that also we call it deja vu, but this actually works when I came across this concept visualization. So I have read actually in the last 1 or 2 years I have read almost 4-5 books where I came across this concept, and then I realized that actually I practiced this thing from my childhood. I didn't know that time that it is visualization and there are some techniques. So I don't know whether I practiced it rightly or it was not correct. But so that is why I thought let's make today's episode based on visualization. So in this episode, you are going to know about visualization, how it works, how to practice visualization, and most of all, like first we'll start with why visualization actually works. So if you are new to this visualization concept and you want to know what is that, stay tuned till end, because I promise that it will not be much longer and I'll not bore you. So first thing is, what is visualization? Obviously from the English word itself you can understand that it's something you visualize, and obviously it's about something you want in your future. You want to achieve that, you want to experience that something, whatever it may be, related to monetary, related to relationship, related to maybe for your business, maybe for your whatever it is the reason. Like you want to have a maybe a very costly car, maybe you want to have a big house, maybe you want to have a good partner in your life, maybe so whatever you want in your life, if you can visualize that, that is called visualization. And with this concept, with practicing this, you can achieve that. So that's the that's the power of this concept. As per research at Harvard University found that students who visualize in advance actually they perform better. Like 70% of the student who actually visualize about their success in their life, they actually perform better than actually who doesn't visualize. Also, if you just listen to many famous, successful business person, or maybe especially the players, so they actually practice visualization a lot. Most of the, so I'll just quote Albert Einstein's quote here: imagination is everything, it is the preview of life's coming attraction. So next come to why visualization works. So actually in our brain there is a part called RAS, reticular activating system, which actually responsible for I would say in easy language that actually it filters out whatever information we have in our brain. It actually filters out and it only gives the required information for our conscious mind. So just to give an example, actually our brain process about 11 million bits of information every instant of time, and our RAS, it actually filters out only maybe 10-15 which is actually required for our conscious brain. So you can imagine that, what is the role of RAS. So when we start visualizing things which we actually want in our life, brain actually can't differentiate between the future and the past tense and the present. So whatever we visualize, brain actually feels that it is actually present, and it always put like it actually try to create those experience in our conscious mind as well. and that's how visualization works. I mean, that's how you actually get all those things you visualize. The next thing is how to practice visualization. So there are not there are so many books. Few of them are like Law of Attraction. Recently I was reading The Success Principle by Jack Canfield. In that book he has actually mentioned in detail way of how you can practice visualization. So actually for visualization, you have to, first thing is you have to be very clear about what do you want in your life. So if you are very clear about it, that's very good, because most of the people actually don't know what they want in their life. So if you are among them, then good news is that in this podcast, in this episode, I'm going to tell you what to do in that case, because I am that category, in that category. So you just focus, you just close your eyes, you take a pen and paper, obviously not any electronic medium like in Microsoft Word or something like that. So you take a pen and paper and you start thinking that like whatever, what is your perfect day in your life, and in that perfect day of life, from the morning, like right after you wake up, what you actually want to do. So from right after you wake up, what kind of house you want to be in, what kind of place you want to stay, what is the type of breakfast you want to have, what is the type of work you want to do. So everything, like A to Z in the whole day, what should be your perfect day, you first analyze that. So if you want to complete the process, it is a very lengthy process, it will take time, but if you can do this exercise, you will be very clear. I mean, maybe it will take some time to get that clarity, but then once you are clear about what you want in your life, then start with that visualization thing. The benefit of visualization actually maximizes when you visualize with feelings, like you add sounds, you add feelings to that picture of your future. You feel that you have already achieved that, so you have to feel that happiness, that when you will achieve that, how do you feel. So all those feelings will actually help you to get whatever you want in your life. So create your vision board, be clear about your goal. So all those things actually is a part of the whole visualization process. So once you know this concept, and again that is also kind of the activity of RAS. Like the main role of RAS is, it actually when you know something, RAS will help you to know more about it. So if you, like today you have learned about visualization, and now you will see that the more and more kind of all visualization, how it works, how to get all the benefit from visualization, everything you will get to know. So it works, I don't have any doubt on that. I have got a result from this visualization after practicing that. So setting goal, doing this visualization thing actually helped me achieving the bestseller tag in like right after writing my first book. Actually, because of this visualization, this year I got admission in IIM Kolkata for my PhD, because I was having a total complete corporate life which I was not happy, and I was thinking that how to get out of it. Whether I can do it or not, I was having all those doubts. But because of this goal setting and visualization, right now I am going toward whatever is my dream life, and you can also do that. So tell me, how do you like this episode? Please, if you are listening this in YouTube, please comment below. If you are listening this in my website, then also please comment. And if you are listening this from Apple or Amazon Music, then please give me a 5-star rating, and please like it. Thank you.